Good morning all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Friday morning, October 20th. We are looking at window traders market profile of the ES and NQ. So just like yesterday afternoon turned into a replay from Wednesday afternoon, last night's turned into a replay from the previous night, as we spent the whole overnight basically in the lower distribution, right? Well, we're doing that again last night and this morning in the lower distribution and below yesterday's low. Now, a couple little differences. The weekly was still up yesterday for both us and NQ. They're now back to balance. That's number one. Number two, ES with a chance for an outside week down. Now, the other thing that's very important, even though the sellers gave up what they had accomplished on Wednesday early, we never got acceptance into the upper distribution. That is so critically important for traders to understand. Even though it was a very small trend day we had the other day. Yesterday's are small also. But look what happened. We filled the single prints, got into the upper distribution A, spiked in F, spent no time there. G barely, look, 3 other time frames we tried, but never got acceptance, and then finally went trend again and probed late in the day. So really crucial to understand the difference between getting into a distribution and getting acceptance. Yesterday was a clear point of not. NQ doing the same thing this morning, as is righty. So the market right now having some trouble early on. I will recap all of these 3 indices charts tonight on our recap video. Yesterday's volume turned out to be the 7th heaviest of the year, just over 121 million. So that's nice to see. We had a range over $7. That's awesome to see. So bulls have given up a lot from what they accomplished early in the week. They've given up a lot. Okay, we've come off over $11 since we made the high on the week on, I'm sorry, the weekly high was Tuesday. So we've come off over $12 since that point. So game plan for this morning. Well, again, the overnight's going to be short. We'll see, do they attempt to take back both the price probe, the single prints, and things of that nature? It remains to be seen. However, once again, value will firmly be in favor of the sellers to start. Now again, we talk about when price disconnects from value. Okay? That's a form of emotional trading. Remember, we were 8 wide again yesterday. So any failure again by the bears to hold this down here, and we might go back in and test that POC. Right? We did it yesterday. It was only 8 wide, but we got it. NQ did it yesterday, 10 for 10 initially. They got it before they failed again. So again, it's critical for bears to hold at least some of what they have here. And by that I mean the price probe, the overnight high, if not that, the trend day, stay in the lower distribution, and then their last line of defense would be value low. Okay? What do the bulls have to lean on right now? Really nothing. Yesterday's low is not important to me. So the only thing the bulls have to lean on as of right now, for my money's worth, is the overnight low. There's still single prints to be taken back to the downside from back in early this month. So again, a lot of damage has been done. So the bulls don't have as much to lean on as the bears to start, and they're going to be having value against them to start the day. Okay? So just things to keep in mind. And then on the chart, so here's the weekly. Good feeling on Tuesday when we were going higher, above this level, one time framing up, all out the window 2 days later, as we're now balanced with a possibility of an outside week down. We'll see how that plays out. It's also an expiration today, don't forget, ladies and gentlemen. And the daily is firmly down. The 20-day moving average right now is above us by 3 and change. The 200 is only below us by 3 and change. We did a good job defending it here in early October. That's where we broke out from. Remember when the sellers couldn't get anything? We had that outside day up. Are we going to go revisit this again? Time will tell, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for the likes and subscribing to this channel. Good luck trading today, and we'll recap the day and the week at 4 p.m.